YouTube, we outside on this video. Decided to come out to the park, nearby park. But in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the things I've done to the bike since I picked it up. My favorite and most inexpensive thing I have done was change out these silver reflector bolts to all black ones. They came off the exhaust. I also added a zip tie, which is right here. That's just to see how low or how compressed the front shock is becoming. I also replaced the mirror with some carbon fiber mirrors, some lever guards, which you guys see in the videos that I post. Another thing I installed on the bike is the engine covers, which look really, really nice. I like the way these engine covers look on the bike, especially from walking up to the bike. I replaced the heel guards, which is the ZX10R black heel guards. And then I got some EvoTech passenger peg deletes, which I really like the most. I got the Pew's windscreen for the bike. I have a Peak Design phone mount holder for the bike as well, which I really, really like for my particular phone. I got the sock for the brake reservoir. And on this side, I did take off the chain cover on here. I took this off, and I also took off the chain guard in the back. In the rear, all I really did was take off the fender, and then I also got the Smoke TST Industries brake light. I did also replace the intake filter on the bike as well, which came out really, really nice. I like the way the bike sounds. And then the most important thing that I took off on the bike that a lot of people ask me about is the snorkel. So if you look inside, I don't have the flapper in there. So I took off the flapper on the front of the bike, and I also took off the flapper on the exhaust of the bike. I didn't take it off, I just removed the cables. So if you look, I don't have the cables coming from the exhaust anymore, which is the most important. And then I forgot to mention, I also did the tank grips, but I did not put the one up here because I think this is too high for my legs, and I don't really use that part of the tank grip. And that's pretty much it. That's all the things I've gotten on the bike so far. I almost forgot. I got the EvoTech fork or axle sliders. I got one in the back, and then I got one in the front. As you guys can see, then I got the rear disc brake rotor, lightweight brake rotor. And then I got some sport spools for the bike. And then the muffler itself, I haven't changed yet. I don't know, man. I like the way the exhaust sounds. I don't have any intentions on wanting to change out the exhaust. But yeah, you guys give me some ideas on what I can do with the exhaust, and I'll do it. And that's pretty much it. That's all the mods I've done to the bike, and I want to thank you guys for watching this real quick video. I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.